Hey guys, welcome to Cryptix. We're going to show you today how to purchase Shiba token on Uniswap. We're going to show you the fastest and best way to purchase this coin with the lowest fees and the safest method possible. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So to purchase Shiba, the first step we actually have to do is to purchase some Ethereum. So we're just going to go to Binance. This is the #1 trading platform for purchasing with the lowest fees possible. We can actually see right here, they have only up to 1% in fees, ranks 1 out of 7 out of all crypto exchanges. So definitely the best way to go. So if we go to Binance and we go to buy crypto with bank deposit or credit card, we just want to select USD or any currency you want to purchase this with, and then select ETH, otherwise known as Ethereum. We're going to want to put in the amount of Ethereum you want to purchase and then just click buy ETH. Now, once we have it, we have to transfer to our MetaMask wallet. So to do this, you're going to want to visit metamask.io. That is the proper address for this website. You can also purchase this using Trust Wallet. If you are using MetaMask, please make sure that you are careful that you're visiting metamask.io, as there are some other fraudulent sites that are mimicking this site. And if you purchase and transfer crypto into that platform, you can actually lose it. So just be careful. So make sure you're on metamask.io. If you want to double check, you can just visit the Google Chrome store or any extension store from any browser that you're using that supports this, and then just search up MetaMask and then add to Chrome this way. That way, you know you're getting it safely done. Now, moving on, if you want to transfer the Ethereum that you have purchased into your MetaMask wallet, you're going to want to visit your fiat in spot, go to your Ethereum and click on withdraw. Now, once you're here, you can actually just paste the address from your MetaMask wallet. Now, for security reasons, I have logged out, but basically you would just want to go to your Ethereum account and then just click on the account 1 button. That'll copy your actual account address, and then you just want to paste it here and select the ETH network, and then you can transfer your funds. Once it reaches your MetaMask wallet, then we can actually just go to the Shiba token website, and you can just scroll down to how to buy, click on buy SHIB, and once you're here, you'll be actually transferred to Uniswap, where you can actually just connect your wallet. Make sure that you've selected the Ethereum network, and similar to the Trust Wallet as well. Once you have Ethereum selected, it'll actually populate your total amount of Ethereum you have, and then you can purchase how much SHIB you want. If you guys also want to get 2 free stocks up to the value of $1,400 simply by depositing $100 into Webull, I will leave a link in the description. This is a great way to get some free crypto, and it costs nothing on your end. You're simply opening an account. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want more how-to videos, how to properly and safely buy cryptocurrency at the best and lowest rates, make sure to subscribe. We're posting daily videos on this channel. We hope you enjoy, and we'll see you in the next video.